Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by securing your data and the environment. First, backup apps, media, and make a full Nandroid image. This protects you if something breaks. Once done, unlock the bootloader if not already unlocked, because you cannot flash stock images with it locked. Then install a DB and fastboot tools on your computer and download the exact stock firmware and OEM drivers for your model. Mismatched images will brick the device. Connect via USB and confirm fastboot recognizes the device before proceeding. You now replace the custom ROM with stock components. Boot into fastboot and verify the device ID, then flash the stock boot image first to restore the correct kernel, followed by system and vendor images to return core OS partitions. Flash the stock recovery last so the device can boot normally. Once images are flashed, wipe cache and Dalvik to remove leftover ART artifacts. Only erase user data when you have a verified backup, because that removes all user data permanently. Make sure to watch fast. You finish by rebooting into the stock system and waiting. First boot may take several minutes as the OS optimizes apps, so be patient. Once the device boots and functions, restore your data from backups, and if you want added security, relock the bootloader following OEM instructions, only after confirming the device is stable. If anything goes wrong, gather recovery and fast boot logs. If the phone won't boot, reflash the full factory package that exactly matches your model. That single troubleshooting step fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.